darling.
Hello.
We've got to move fairly quickly, so I've got a delivery coming.
Yeah.
All right. So, hi everybody. Welcome to Cocktail Corner. Welcome to Big Oggie World. Welcome back to Kelly.
Hello.
You always appear in the kitchen at Cocktail Corner.
There's a surprise.
I know. Never have to do it for the washing up, but always for the cocktails.
Absolutely.
So, like I said, I've got a delivery coming.
Yeah.
So, it's got 8 stops to go. So, hopefully we get this done relatively quickly.
Crack on then.
Yeah, and we will, because this is a really quick cocktail, because there's only 3 ingredients.
Right.
Okay, so this is called a Japanese slipper. Invented, can't remember the date, but not very long ago.
Okay.
20 years ago, Jean-Paul Bourguignon, I believe.
Ooh.
I'm not very good at Japanese or
French.
French, that's the one. He's French and he's a bartender from Melbourne in Australia.
That's a bit of a mix-up.
I know.
Japanese slippers with a French man.
I know, so I don't know why it's called Japanese slipper, but it is. So we're using Midori, remember that? We did it before.
Yeah. We've got rather a lot of it left.
Yeah, nice green watermelon liqueur. Yeah, and we're also going to use Cointreau.
Oh, that's why it's called a Japanese slipper, because it's made with Japanese melons.
There you go. So Midori Japanese liqueur. Okay, but because he's French, he wanted to add in a little bit of, ooh
la la.
Ooh la la. So he added a bit of Cointreau in it. Remember the Cointreau ads?
Yeah.
The really dodgy bloke in it. Right, so this is basically it. Get yourself a shaker with some ice in it.
Yeah.
All equal measures, so it makes it nice and easy.
Okay.
So because we're going to double up, we're going to go 60 mils of Midori, 60 mils of Cointreau, what that one, and 60 mils of fresh lemon juice. Because we're doubling up. I'm going to get you some glasses, which are in the fridge.
Liqueur again.
Liqueur glasses, yeah, because it's only a small cocktail, let's be honest. Always good if you can try and get your glasses in the fridge to chill them down. The other thing is, I read the other day that one of the biggest mistakes that people make in home cocktail making is they don't measure stuff. So I know I take the mickey out of you for measuring everything really accurately, but actually that's what you should do. Everyone goes to like these cocktail bars and stuff, or a lot of people go to, fresh.
Pre-measured.
Yeah, pre-measured. Everyone goes to like cocktail bars, they see these kind of things being, but they've got like pours on and they're putting the back of the thing and they're doing that. Well, that takes a lot of skill and a lot of practice. So to get your cocktails right at home, keep doing your proper measurements.
Yeah.
Get yourself a jigger, you've seen those, the metal ones, or an actual measuring glass.
This is actually a measuring glass, and this is brilliant because it's got various measures on, because with a jigger, you only get 2. You sort of get like 1 and then
an ounce is, they normally do it in parts or ounces, an ounce is about 30 mils, so that's a 60 ml glass.
It is,
works fine for us. Okay, so just chill this down.
Chilled. You want a strainer, don't you?
We need a strainer. Bear with while we shake. Or we get a strainer. So, like I said, no ice in the glass, but the glass is chilled. You're not keen on ones with no ice in the glass. You like the idea of ice in the glass,
I like it. But these little Liqueur glasses are tiny, so...
Yeah, they don't really fit. You can get very teeny tiny ice cube molds, which I might try and get. Now, the thing about this is it's not very high in alcohol, because they're both fairly lightish alcohol liqueurs. They're not massively heavy whiskies or vodkas or gins. So they're pretty good. Bear with. That's the lemon juice.
Yeah.
Having a problem with that. Now, all you need to do now to serve is, now we don't have a honeydew melon here because quite frankly they're not in season, so why bother? You could put either a melon ball in them, a slice of honeydew melon, it's got to be the yellow honeydew melon, into a wedge which you cut on to put on the sides. But optional, I've seen this in a few versions of the recipes now, if you can't get it open. Don't know them very often, do it. Optional is you put in a maraschino cherry or a cocktail cherry, drop them in the middle, and they sit in the bottom. We're going to take a picture, I'm going to come back and give it a taste. Different, this, very different.
itchy earlobes. Isn't that weird?
I have no idea why you've got itchy earlobes, love.
Never mind.
Hope it's not an infection.
No, it's just...
No.
Yeah.
Anyway, this will kill all known germs, probably. So, cheers, everybody. I don't know, I can't remember what cheers is in Japanese, and I've been to Japan 4 times. I think I know by now, shouldn't you? Oh, it smells nice.
It looks like some sort of weird chemical thing.
Oh, I don't know though, it's nice. Yeah, it's much better than you think it's going to be, doesn't it? The lemon hits you first, the sharpness of the lemon, but it's sweetened off by the Midori.
It's
and then the orange comes through, which is the Cointreau.
It's kind of like tutti fruity.
Yeah. It's really nice.
I think there's like that little bit of cherry in it and all.
Yeah, well that all kind of adds in. Obviously the longer you keep the cherry in, the kind of slightly changes the flavour.
It's very good.
That's actually very good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very good.
The smell's interesting. Because the Cointreau, you get the Cointreau smell. Yeah, don't think the Midori is just for a colour. It's not.
No, it's absolutely not.
Works really well. It's a lovely kind of liqueur. We've done a couple of recipes with it now, and actually they've been both very nice.
Yeah. I think it's the colour that puts people off.
Well, you're not keen on green.
But then saying that, people like drink that WKD stuff, which is like bright antifreeze blue. It's like, what's that?
I do love the colour of a cocktail, and you cannot say that's not a colour of a cocktail. I mean, look at that. That's just.
I mean,
lovely.
actually, that would have been perfect for Halloween, really, wouldn't it? When
Probably
you look
could
at
have been,
it,
yeah.
you know, it looks like green slime with blood in the bottom or something. Well, it does.
I'm going off it. I'm going off the recipe, honestly. Try it. If you've got some Cointreau, if you bought the bottle of Midori for just for fun or for colourful cocktails, or because we did a recipe before and you liked it.
Can't remember what it was, but it was nice.
We haven't did another one yet. Probably a frog. I think we've done a frog one, but there's a few other different ones we've come up with. That's really good. Yeah. That's surprisingly good.
And I do love a Nicanora glass.
Well, it's actually quite surprised how much it holds. You think it's just like a little liqueur glass, but...
But it kind of is, isn't it, when you think about it? I mean, we put like 60 of each in it.
They're just pure liqueurs in it with a little bit of lemon juice.
Perfect measurement.
Really lovely. So...
I tell you what, like lemons at the moment, they're all right, but they're not brilliant.
No.
Do you know what I mean? Like if you could get if you could get the proper like Sicilian lemons or whatever, that would be amazing. Better, with like lovely.
But make sure you try and get fresh lemon juice. I mean, there's a lot of them around, especially with Christmas coming up. A lot of lemons and oranges and stuff. Try and get fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh is always best. But like I said, very surprising that.
Yeah.
Very nice. Give it a try. Honestly,
I do like a Japanese slipper.
Japanese slipper. Lovely. Yeah. So, what are we going to say?
See you all again soon.
That's the one. Yeah. Please subscribe and make sure you comment. If you're trying any of our cocktails, let us know. And a few people say that they're kind of having a regular cocktail night now. They're waiting for our new one coming out and they're going to try a different one. So it'd be really good if you carry on and do that kind of thing. Build our community, help us grow, tell your friends. We may do some live chats. You know, we ought to do some live cocktail making. That'd be kind of fun. Are you trying that?
What, live cocktail making?
Yeah.
Well, after the disaster that was the blue thing a couple of weeks ago, you want to do that live on air?
They've not seen it.
No.
No, they may not. They may not. Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see.
Hit the notification bell so you know when we're around. And we'll see you all again soon.
Cheers, everybody. That's surprisingly good.
That is good.
Oh, it's the sharpness. It hits you, but then you get the sweetness, and then you get all the. They're all flavours separately. Yeah, love it.